Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to increase your download speed in a Terabox. So you can actually watch videos every single day and you redeem rewards, okay? And that gives you a free premium. So you don't need to pay for the premium. You know, if you don't have premium on Terabox, they limit your speeds. But if you come here, go to this section, get your premium trial, watch videos here, you'll redeem rewards, okay, and you can get these benefits. And once you run out of all of the rewards, you can create a new account and then increase your download speed the same way. If you don't know how I reached to that point, you just come here, click on the top left menu, click on upgrade for Terabox Premium. Just look at the upgrade options and then you want to switch back. You switch back, then you get this prompt, switch back again, and then they will give you that option for premium ad free, as you can see. Then you just watch those videos. Okay, you get that for free and that will fix your issues. Hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one.